Then on the left-hand side here, you'll see that we're currently in the VPN tab, but you also have tabs for Alternative ID, Alert, Antivirus, and Search. All of these are add-on features that don't come with the Surfshark starter plan, so you won't have access to these. For now, the one thing we do want to check out is the settings. So go to the bottom left here and click into Settings. And then from here, go up to the top and click into VPN settings. The first thing I'll do here is enable Launch App on Startup. I'll go ahead and toggle this on. Now my VPN is going to launch anytime I start up my computer. Here you can also reconfigure your Quick Connect settings. This is basically your default or main server that you want to connect to. And right now it's set to Japan because I configured that just a minute ago. Right here you can also turn on Auto Connect. And then underneath that, you can click on this arrow here to open up your preferences. And right now I'm going to automatically connect to the Japan servers, but if you want, you can change this here. I'll go back for now. And then underneath that, you'll find some other miscellaneous settings. For example, here you can toggle on CleanWeb, which is the ad blocker I told you about earlier. You can turn on your kill switch, change your protocol, configure your bypasser, and you'll have some other advanced security settings down here. And once you're done configuring your settings, go back to the top here and click on the back arrow. And in this page here, you'll find some other settings that will be helpful. You have your app settings here, which lets you change your language and theme. You can change your notification settings below that. You can also configure your subscription and account info. And if you ever need help with your VPN, you can troubleshoot right here by clicking on Get Help.